Why does your scanner show the P0486 engine code, and what does it mean? P0486 is a diagnostic trouble code for the Exhaust Gas Recirculation (EGR) Sensor B circuit. This error code indicates a malfunction in the Exhaust Gas Recirculation (EGR) valve position sensor B circuit. This means your car's computer, PCM/ECM, has detected an abnormal voltage signal, lost communication, or registered improper data from the secondary EGR sensor circuit. Under these circumstances, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits in your vehicle. Carbon buildup. Bad EGR sensor. Wiring faults. Bad vacuum lines. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicle, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Ford, Jaguar, Jeep, Nissan, and Renault. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.